How to create a new Snapchat account. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily sign up for a new Snapchat account. First thing you have to do is open up your Snapchat application and log out of any current account. So let's just go ahead and log out of this account. And once you log out of your account, you have two options at the bottom. You can either sign up or you can switch account. If you tap on sign up, you will have an option to create a new account. So keep tapping continue. Enter your first and last name. Click on agree and continue. Simply enter your birth date. And once you have done that, tap on continue again. Choose your username. You could easily enter up a new username. This is already taken, so let's just add a dot. And once you have gotten your username, tap on continue again. Simply select any password, and once you have done that, you're going to have to enter your email next, and they will send you a verification email. You're just going to have to verify your account and your new account will be created. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you guys on the next one.